Hello students, welcome to you all. Today's video is for class 10 students, chapter area related to circle, and today we will study about the formulas and basics of circle. Fine, so let's start with the circle, and these things you already know that center to circle is radius, circle to circle passing through center, diameter, circle to circle not passing through the center, that is chord. Okay, this you already know that diameter is also a chord, but the longest chord of the circle. Now we will talk about circumference of circle and area of circle. Circumference is the distance around the circle, is called the circumference of circle. जैसे हम पॉलीगन का पेरीमीटर निकालते हैं, that we cover all the sides, all the boundaries, same the whole circle boundary is called the circumference of the circle, and the formula is 2 pi r, or you can say pi d. Why? Because 2r is equal to d. Diameter is just double to the radius, and the area of circle is pi r square. This you already know. And one thing, that the diagonal, any diagonal, you have we have many diagonals, many radius in one circle, but a diagonal divides the circle into two equal parts, and that part is called semicircle. That part is called semicircle. Yes. Now what will be the circumference of semicircle? Circumference only the boundary of the circle. पहली बात तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, circumference is the that curved part that is not, that will not included in circle or circumference. So what will be the circumference of circle? Semicircle, sorry, semicircle की circumference क्या होगी? full circle की circumference है 2 pi r. So semicircle की circumference होगी 2 pi r divided by 2 means pi r. If they are asking only circumference, if they are asking the perimeter of semicircle, then pi r plus this side, and this side is the diameter of circle. I was telling you that diameter of a circle divides a circle into two equal parts. तो ये side क्या होगी? Diameter होगी. Okay, that's why you can write here pi r plus d. So don't think that both the things are same. No, circumference only this part, and perimeter the whole boundary of semicircle, this part also, and straight line this diameter also. So semicircle circumference pi r and perimeter pi r plus d. Same if I will intersect this also again into two equal parts, then it will be quarter circle. Okay, and you can say this part as quadrant. So what will be the circumference of quadrant? फुल सर्कल circumference is 2 pi r, और ये एक सर्कल का फोर्थ पार्ट है. So you can write here 4 means divide by 4, and what will be the circumference of quadrant? Pi r divided by 2. Then what will be the perimeter? pi r plus pi r upon 2 plus इतना पार्ट तो लेंगे ही perimeter में, plus this and plus this, and what is this? This is also radius, this is also radius of the circle. So we cannot write d, क्योंकि ये एक साइड नहीं है, दो हैं, और दोनों both are the radii of the circle. So we will write here plus 2r. So what is the perimeter of quadrant? Pi r upon 2 plus 2r. Now we will talk about the area of semicircle and area of quadrant. What is the area of full circle? Pi r square upon pi r square, and semicircle area will be pi r square upon 2. दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया तो एरिया को भी 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, and this will be pi r square upon 4. Fine. So if you know the semicircle and area of full circle, then you can make the formulas of quadrant and semicircle yourself. But perimeter and circumference both are not same things. Keep it in your mind. Perimeter means सारा पार्ट कवर करना है, सारी बाउंड्रीज, एंड circumference means only this curved part, means circle का जो पार्ट है. Fine. Now one more important thing, area of ring. Area of ring, if you have two concentric circles means two or more than two circles whose center is same, एक ही center है उनका, then these both circles are concentric circles, but they are asking the area of this ring. इस ring का area पूछा है, पूरे outer circle या inner circle का area नहीं, they are asking the area of this ring. So first of all, let that the radius of outer circle this is capital R and radius of this inner circle is small r. Formula is, first I am telling you the direct formula. The formula is pi r capital R square minus small r square. Now how to make this formula? You know that circle area formula is pi r square. So first of all you write the area of circle, outer circle, that will be pi capital R square. Then you write the area of inner circle, that will be the pi small r square. And we need to find the area of this path, this ring. So we will subtract it. Pi we can take common. So what will be inside the bracket? Capital R minus small r square, or you can write R1 and R2 also. So this is the formula of area of ring. Fine. So these are the basics formulas of circle. Now we will study some more formulas. This you have already studied in previous classes, is for just recall. Now we will study some more formulas which are new for you. So first let's start with sector of circle. How you can say that which part is sector of circle? First of all, let me explain. You have two radius here, OA, OB. The area, the part of the circle enclosed by two radii and one arc. सर्कल का वो पार्ट जो दो रेडियस से और एक आर्क से एंक्लोज्ड हो रहा है, that part is called the sector of the circle. So this part the sector of circle. Okay, and अगर आपको लगता है कि आप भूल जाएंगे that what is the sector of the circle, so you can remind by the part of pizza. जो पिज्जा का हम एक पार्ट निकाल के खाते हैं, that is called the sector of the सर्कल. फाइन, ऐसा ही होता है ना, वो इस शेप का जो हम निकालते हैं और खा लेते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है, उसको बोलते हैं सेक्टर ऑफ सर्कल, बिकॉज पिज्जा शेप इज आल्सो ऑफ सर्कल. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल. एंड यू नो दैट दिस AB इज आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल. दिस AB इज द आर्क ऑफ सर्कल. नाउ व्हाट इज द सेगमेंट ऑफ सर्कल? Segment of circle, when you will draw a chord, so the area enclosed by arc and chord, ये जो एरिया है एक chord से और arc से जो पार्ट बनता है सर्कल का, that is called the segment of circle. Okay, now major and minor, you can say that this part which enclosed by these two radii O and OB and this minor arc AB, that is minor sector, and the remaining circle is called, remaining part of circle is major sector. Same here, this is minor segment and the remaining part कैसा होगा, remaining part का शेप ऐसा. ये क्या हो गया, मेजर सेगमेंट. ये भी सेगमेंट है क्योंकि ये भी किससे इंक्लोज्ड है, आर्क और कॉर्ड से. ठीक है, तो पहले तो ये क्लियर होना चाहिए. यू should be clear about these things, sector, segment and arc. Fine. Now come to the formulas of this. First, arc. Suppose this is the arc AB. So what is the, how to find out the length of this arc? आप इस arc की length कैसे निकालेंगे? Length of arc AB. So you tell me this arc is the part of which thing? This arc is the part of the circumference of the circle. ये जो arc है, अगर मैं इसमें से इतना part निकालूं तो circumference का ही part निकाल रही हूँ. So arc is the part of circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Yes. अब इस 2 pi r में से कितना part निकालना है? That Who will tell? That will be telling by the angle theta कि किस angle का part हम निकाल रहे हैं. And divide by the whole circle angle is, because we are putting here angle, theta is the unknown measurement of angle. So divide by the complete angle, and the circle complete angle is 360 degree. Now solve it. So what is the formula of the length of arc AB? Pi r theta upon 180 degree. You can learn the direct formulas, but it's my duty to tell you that how we are making. Okay, now come to the sector. Area of sector and perimeter of sector. तो अगर हम एरिया की बात करें, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ फुल सर्कल? पाई आर स्क्वायर. एंड हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर? दैट विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द एंगल. सो थीटा एंड डिवाइड बाय 360 degree, because this is the complete angle of the circle. Why we are taking here area? Because now we are taking the part of the circle. अब हम सर्कल का पार्ट निकाल रहे हैं. पहले हम सर्कमफ्रेंस का पार्ट निकाल रहे थे, अब हम सर्कल का पार्ट निकाल रहे हैं. So that's why here we will take area formula, and here we have taken circumference formula. So what is the area of sector? Pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Okay. Now what about the perimeter of sector? आप इसका perimeter कैसे निकालेंगे? Perimeter का मतलब क्या होता है? Boundaries. You should think yourself. Means this part plus this part plus this part. तो ये part तो क्या है? Length of the arc. So L plus 2r. There are two radius. So length plus 2r if length is given. If length is not given, so you can write here this formula. So what will be the formula? Pi r theta upon 180 degree plus 2r. So this is the formula of finding perimeter of sector and area of sector. If this is the area of minor sector, if they are asking the area of major sector, you first find out the area of major sector, then minor sector, then for major sector you just subtract this area from the area of whole circle, and this is very easy. Pi r square, this is the whole circle area, and then subtract this pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Fine. Now next is segment. This is the segment. Now they are asking the area of this segment ABDA. Area of segment. So how to find out the area of segment? You see this segment area is inside the sector. अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, जो सेगमेंट का पार्ट है वो सेक्टर के पार्ट के अंदर ही है. तो अगर हम इस पूरे सेक्टर के पार्ट में से, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ सेक्टर, इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट this triangle area from whole sector part, then we will get the area of segment. So what is the formula of area of segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So what will be the formula of area of segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Now sector area you already know, that is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. What about triangle? This information will be given in the question, that which type of triangle is this. If they have given that this is 90 degree angle, so you can apply here right angle triangle area formula, that is half into base into height. वो ट्राइंगल कौन सा है वो आपको खुद देखना होगा. ओके, इफ दिस इज राइट ट्राइंगल, देन फॉर्मूला विल बी हाफ इनटू base into height. If this is equilateral triangle, then this information will be given in the question. Okay, if this will be equilateral triangle, then root 3 upon 4 side square. Yes, if nothing is given that which type of triangle is this, then which formula you will apply for the triangle? You will apply formula 1 upon 2 r square sine theta, and theta angle means this angle will be given in the question. So this is the area of segment, minor segment. And again, if you have to find out the area of major segment, so whole circle area minus area of minor segment. Okay, so these are the new formulas for you, and note down all the formulas which I have told you earlier, means the basics formulas, all perimeter and area, and these, because the whole chapter is based on these formulas. And exercise we will start in my next video, so stay tuned. Thank you.